With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is theorem 6.5. If one angle of a triangle is equals to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So firstly, given part of the question, in the given part it is saying two triangles, so we have to draw the triangles first, then I can write the name of the triangles. So this is triangle A, B and C. This is triangle A, B, C. Another triangle I am going to draw, triangle D, E, F. So triangle D, E, F. So according to the question, it is saying that two triangles we have given. First is triangle ABC and second one is triangle DEF, such that angle A equals to angle, and it is saying side including these angles are proportional. It means I can write AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF. Now we have to prove that both triangles are similar, means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. To prove this, we have to make a construction. Let this is point P on side DE, let this is point Q on side DF, and we are joining point PQ, and we have drawn this like DP equals to AB and AC equals to DQ. So let's mention the construction part also in the theorem. It is mandatory to mention it. So construction part is, in construction, draw P and Q on DE and DF sides such that DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC, and we have to join PQ. Now come to the proving part. So proof. To prove this, firstly I have given in the question that AB upon DE equals to CA or AC upon DF, and also it is saying from construction part we have drawn DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC. So in place of AB and in place of CA I will replace DP and DQ. Now substituting the value, it can be written DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. Now reciprocal it. So after reciprocal it will become DE upon DP is equals to DF upon DQ. After making it reciprocal, I have to subtract one both sides. So subtracting one from LHS part, subtracting one from RHS part. After taking LCM, the LCM will be DP, and here I can write DE minus DP equals to, in RHS part, when DQ is in denominator part, I can write it DF minus DQ. So when DE minus DP, I get PE, means in place of this I can write PE upon DP, and in place of this I can write QF upon DQ. Now again reciprocal it, so it will become DP upon PE equals to DQ upon QF. This is the first thing that we need to prove this question. Now come to the next. Now we have to use theorem 6.2 here. This is very helpful to prove this question, similarity question. So according to theorem 6.2, if a line, which is PQ in this question, if a line divides any two sides, which is DE and DF in this question, two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, ratio, then the line is means PQ is parallel to third side means EF according to our triangle. Third side, it means I can write after this theorem that PQ is parallel to EF. By this we can prove that if we can say if that PQ and EF are two lines for PQ and EF lines. Let's PE is transversal with transversal PE means there are two corresponding angle which are equal means we can say angle P equals to angle E corresponding angles. Similarly, let's see in the question that if we are saying that if these two lines are parallel, PE act as transversal, so we can say these two angles are equal because these are corresponding. Similarly, if these PQ and EF are parallel means angle Q equals to angle F, both are corresponding. So we can say for another, this is first point. For second point I can say for same lines PQ and EF. EF with transversal, this time QF with right side of the triangle, transversal QF. It means angle Q equals to angle F, which is corresponding angle. This is first and this is second. Now we have to take in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. DPQ means PQ is the line of construction. So when we take this, as we have already mentioned, AB equals to DP by construction, and also I have mentioned angle A equals to angle D. This is given in the question. Both triangles are equal, angles are equal for both triangles. Next, AC equals to DQ, it is by also construction. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS, side angle side congruency. If triangles are congruent, that their corresponding parts are also equal. So by this we can say angle B equals to angle P and angle C equals to angle Q. Now as I have proved, angle P equals to angle E and angle P equals to angle B. So we can say from this angle B equals to angle P equals to angle E. This is our first. Second thing I can say angle Q equals to angle F and angle C equals to angle Q. It means we can write angle C equals to angle Q equals to angle F. This is our fourth and this is our fifth. Now we have to take another triangle to prove this question. So we can say in triangle ABC and now original triangle DEF. So when I take these two triangles, I can say first thing I get angle B equals to angle E, this one from fourth. Next angle C equals to angle F from this one from fifth. So when two angles are similar, triangles are also similar. So we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and this is by AA similarity criteria. And this is we have to prove according to our theorem. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.